Hi, my name is Isa, and this is my submission for my MP3 project. My initial idea was to create a button on the create a button on the map that when you pressed it, allowed you to see the ratings of locations on there. So the way I've managed to do that is I'll show you first my place constructor. Let me move my emulator out of the way. And now going to my place.java file, first thing I did was I added a new set of variables to my place in the rating. So I have set rating and I have the rating of the set rating, and then I have the getter as well. After that, going to the places.csv file, I had to add a new part to it about ratings for every single one. I honestly ran into a lot of trouble with this because I didn't realize quite how CSV files work. And I had some spaces in between, which was causing a lot of trouble and wasn't allowing the app to actually open. So I managed to actually get on the help site, and a very helpful TA helped me sort that problem out. Some of these ratings are based on what TA said, others are I just kind of made up, but I added one to every single part of the CSV file. So after that, going to the server.java, this is what takes in the input from the new CSV file, part 5. And this is another problem for me. I didn't realize that this order was actually based on the place construction class. I thought it was based on the CSV file. So I swapped the 5 and the 4 because I thought because I put my rating after the description, it would have to go right here versus right here. But another a TA helped to point out that it should be in the order of the constructor. So because I put the rating right here, that's why it's going to be handled right here. So last place for the add place activity, I initially wanted to create a button for each location that would display the rating of it. But I ran into some problems implementing it. So after some trouble doing that, I looked online and actually came up with a very more simple solution that still allowed me to show the rating. So using this, so it's actually, even though it's very short, this is the kind of thing I used, where I simply remember that, oh, you can use this plus operator to show 2 strings. So instead, what that allowed me to do is, instead of making a new file, what I did instead was I simply added it to the set title. When I called public.getDescription, I simply added my public.getDescription plus public.getRating, which is, sorry, not here, it's not increase activity, here. So as you can see, when I call set title, instead of making a button or anything, I just simply add it to the get description. So now it shows the description and its rating. So if you go to the emulator, you can see that for any location, it's going to show its description and then show its little rating here. So 4.13, 5.0. Final thing is to commit to Git. So let me back quickly. Commit. So as you can see, push 1 commit. That was my MP3 done. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.